Hi there, in this tutorial, you will learn how to create an improvised silhouette style image using mycovermaker.com. First step is to find a background that will suit a silhouette effect. Usually, it could be a photo of a sunset at shore. You can use this tool right here to zoom in or out for more precision. Now let's resize the image by dragging its corners. Next thing we'll do is to add an image that will serve as our subject. Now for this one, we're going to remove the background of the image by just clicking on this tab that says Remove Background. Once it's done, the next step is to resize and reposition your subject and background to an angle that will complement on each other. We have to do it by how we see it in a real camera shot. This is very important as it will define how realistic our image will turn out. Next thing we'll do is to put the silhouette trick on our subject. Just click the image and turn brightness to 0. Now go to Fill Color, change it to black, then click Apply. As you can see, it's all coming together. You just have to make a little more tweaks to make it look real. For this next one, we're going to blur out our background just a little. You don't want to blur it so much, just turning it up to 2 or 3 will do. For the final touch, just click the subject image and turn the contrast to 0 to give it a little fade effect. This way, the texture of our subject will match the background, thus making it look more realistic. And now you're finally done. You can also do this process on other styles, like this one, or this one. It's now up to you to play with the technique. I hope you all learned from this tutorial. See you on the next one!